Tonight, a Yorkshire housing developer who specialises in eco-homes says planning regulations are failing to keep up with green innovation and can obstruct the most energy-efficient homes from being built. PureHaus is one of the few companies building passive houses in the UK. These are super low energy homes that can reduce bills by up to 90%. But it's proving a struggle getting them off the drawing board, as Kathy Killick reports.
A stone's throw from the M62 at Drighlington, a housing rarity is under construction. The homes being built here will be passive houses. Houses so well insulated they don't need heating, using the sun and the occupants' body heat to keep them cosy. So far there are fewer than 2,000 of them in the UK, but here in Drighlington they're building 20 more.
We feel like now's the perfect time. On the back end of the energy crisis and the effects of climate change, it's real. We need to take action, we need to take action today, and this is the solution. We can build homes that protect our future generations, the health of our families, and also our pocket. What more can you get?
The airtight walls are stuffed a foot deep with insulation, and big windows face south for the sun, while small windows face north. And they'll be triple glazed. But the developers are finding these innovations are hard to get through planning procedures, despite the obvious benefits.
We've been hugely supported by our local planning authority. They've been brilliant, but they are massively challenged by the planning policy framework, and it's the guidelines that they have to try, they're constrained by, and they're hugely out of date. They're prehistoric, and we need massive amounts of change from government so that they can open up the door and let us build.
Down the road in Oakenshaw, the effort needed to satisfy the regulations has really paid off. 2 pioneering passive homes are now occupied, and the owners are learning how to live the passive way. As sunlight is a heat source, the shutters play a crucial role. And while it was freezing outside, inside felt pleasantly warm, with no heating. What's it like to live in this house?
It's been interesting. I mean, I started off understanding half the technology anyway, so I'd already had solar panels on the battery in the previous house. I was already used to economy 7, sort of overnight low rate power. Our only real challenge here has been managing the heating.
Well, you're in a t-shirt, aren't you?
Yeah, so I think we've got the hang of it.
On the coldest days, Daniel uses a heater that burns ethanol. Even so, his heating costs are low for a 5-bed house. The building site in Drighlington will soon look like this. Houses of the future that look different and are different, and perhaps need a new mindset to go with their tradition-busting design. Kathy Killick, BBC Look North, Drighlington.